room is quiet except the rain tapping softly on the glass, like it's trying to tell a story from somewhere in the past. The city's faded into watercolor, shapes I barely recognize. Everything feels a little slower under these silver skies. I wasn't looking for an answer, I wasn't trying to understand. But sometimes the rain arrives and gently takes your hand. Somewhere between the raindrops, I lost track of the day. Somewhere between the silence, all my worries drifted away. I'm not dreaming, I'm not awake, just floating in between. Somewhere between the raindrops is where I wanna be. The coffee leaves a little circle on the notebook by my side. Words come and go like strangers, I never ask them why. The trees outside keep swaying like they're dancing to a song only they can hear tonight. And somehow I belong. Maybe nothing really changed, maybe everything did. Maybe I just needed a moment